Hey everyone, we are here again, and this is Bobby. I know he doesn't appear in a lot of our videos. He is the silent partner, we'll say. But anyway, he is our certified drone pilot. And since we didn't end up doing our photo shoot tonight, we thought we would come home and unbox our new drone that we just got. It just came in today. And are we excited about it?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and start opening this and maybe tell us a little bit about Unique. It says right there on the box.
Well, Unique is known for their 6-rotor design. The reason why it has 6 rotors is just in case of one fails, you can fly back on 5, which actually I had that happened one time before. I was out there, we were actually out there doing a photo shoot, and one of the props broke, and the drone was able to fly back home safely with 5 rotors.
Okay, and so that's the reason that we choose this particular style of drone over the more popular and more common quadcopters, which are on the market. This is called a hexacopter, so it's got 6 props and 6 motors. So here we are pulling everything out of the box. Comes with its own backpack that you can carry everything in. And this says Typhoon H+. So tell us a little bit about why we chose this particular model and what we have had in the past and so forth.
Okay, so we've had the Typhoon H Pro, and that also has the 6-rotor design. The reason why we chose this design right here is once again because of the safety feature that it has for being able to fly back on 5 rotors versus 4. And the camera is a 4K camera. It can shoot up to quality of the like you're making a movie. It can shoot up that good quality of it.
And why did we move to the H Plus versus sticking with H Pro?
Just an upgraded model.
Okay. So what does this one supposedly do that our previous one did not, and so forth?
Has a little bit longer flight time. The H Pro had about maybe 15 to 20 minute flight time. This one here supposedly can give you 25 to 30 minute flight time.
Okay. And then also, if I remember right, this one can fly in higher wind speeds.
If I remember correctly, this one can fly in roughly about 40 mile an hour wind. And the H Pro can fly, the H Pro can fly in 40 mile an hour wind, and the H Pro Plus is probably about maybe 45 mile an hour wind.
Okay. So a little bit stronger wind speed, a little bit more flight time, a little bit higher quality camera. Anything else?
The controller gives you a little more stability of the controller. Little sleeker design, brighter screen, which with the H Pro, the screen was always dark in bright sunlight, and this is supposed to be brighter in the sunlight.
Yes, and that was definitely a problem for us, especially with doing photography. If you can't see what you're doing, it's a little more difficult to take good pictures and good videos. So we're kind of excited to get an upgraded screen and have better visibility. So, and while we're here, this is our little puppy dog, Toby. Hi, Toby. And she just got her summer haircut today. And sometimes she goes on photo shoots with us, but most of the time she just hangs out here at home. So anyway, just a little bit closer look at the drone here. So you are seeing it for the first time at the same time that we are seeing it. Literally just took it out of the box for the first time. This is the front of the drone with the camera that hangs down below. That's one of the other things that we like about this design for a drone is that okay, here's our older model. This kind, the landing gear is retractable once it's up in the air, and then the camera has 360 range of motion, and so we can shoot all the way around in a circle, and that landing gear does not get in our way. Whereas with some other brands of drones, you do not have quite that functionality on the camera. So it's a little bit easier for your videography. What else?
I think that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. Okay, so we are going to go for now, and it's getting a little bit late in the evening today to be able to fly this thing, so we will put that off for another time, and then we will show you our maiden voyage when that happens, when we do that. And that may be tomorrow, I'm guessing. So
should be.
All right, hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of our new Typhoon H Plus drone.